doing some more hammer work?
Yeah, more hammers.
I got the video going.
I got another ding
in
in the front.
Round 2.
Yeah, let me get mine.
Good God. Ready? I got it. I'll just take it for you.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the ding guy at work again. Look at him work. He got special tools to remove clips and shit.
Yeah, the hammer.
Yeah.
He uses a hammer for everything. He paints with that thing too.
Sides first.
Let's see if we can learn something from him.
Right here. Sides.
You got a pop.
Yeah, it has clips in the back. Don't break the clips in the back, I'm telling you.
I'm getting that new hood, the new front bumper on Monday anyway. Well, here, YouTube off. I just banged
the other day.
Alright, now we got another specialist here.
It's Giants fan. Could you tell?
No.
Never know.
Giants fan.
That's how you do
He's
it.
a fucking natural. Look at this motherfucker.
Alright, now I come into play.
Alright.
Alright, what do you want me to do right here?
Boom! That's how you do it right there.
Oh.
Oh, that's for a hood. Yeah, right?
That's exactly how you do it.
Alright, I got it.
Wait.
So fucking. Look, he even touches it up. What the fuck?
It's clean now.
That's a clear coat. Let's see if it
Alright, push
works.
it down.
I think you should just go grill us.
Dude, you're gonna be a fucking Sauron driver. Does it still right? Hold on.
Sometimes you gotta move the latch up.
Push it down. Yeah, I'll check for you. No, I don't know. It's still. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, push down on it.